Now children, today let's start with chapter number 11, that is means of transport. We all need transport to move from one place to another. If we talk about in ancient time, people has to move on the foot, carrying heavy loads on their back. So what happened with the invention of wheel? So what happened with the invention of wheel? The life of the people become easier and faster. How was wheel invented? It was a great invention. What happened one day? The early man was standing and he saw that a log of wood was coming rolling down. तो उससे वो sledge बनाते हैं and he fitted it and made a wheel from that. So in ancient time, people traveled long distance on foot. They carry goods on their back or head and dragged it along the ground. To make it easy, they made a sledge and pulled themselves, but it was still difficult. Later, men, what did he did? He began to domesticate the animal like horse, camel. He began to use to carry his load. He trained them to pull the sledge and carts, and he built rafts across the river. But it was the invention of wheel which brought a revolution in transport system. The wheel was probably invented in Mesopotamia, Iraq in about 3500. Right? The 18th century was the period of industrial revolution in Europe. Industries had demand of raw material and supply of finished good to other parts of the country. The raw material had to be carried. The raw material था उसको हम carry करते to factories from the distant places, and finished good has to be distributed to different parts of the world. So the demand of cheap and sufficient means of transport become to increase. Man has never satisfied with his achievement. Another revolutionary success came into his way when in 1712 Thomas Newcomb invented what? The steam engine. Later in 1776, Newcomb's steam engine was improved by James Watt, Scotland. This introduced the era of fastest transport in the world. So what? Let's study about steam engines were being fitted in trains, cars, ships and can run on coal. किस पे run करते थे? Coal पे. And this made them powerful, quick and able to carry heavy loads. Gradually, steam engines were replaced by petrol, diesel and electric engines, which are still used today. Today, we have many modern means of transport like aeroplane, jet, train, bus, car, ship. So smooth roads are constructed and railway lines are laid to make the modern vehicle run fast. Today, we have large network of roads and rail, which is spread all over the world. The first successful trial of steam engine in railway was done in England in 1804. John Macdam, a Scottish civil engineer, was first to build road from layers of small pieces of granite. Right, roadways. One of the oldest system of transport. Earlier roads were narrow and rough. Today we have large network of roads all over the world. So Kacha and Pakka, both types of roads are found in our country. Pakka roads are strong, long lasting. ठीक है, ये coal और concrete की बन गई. Highway, the roads laid for heavy automobile traffic is called motorway. They also known as highway, freeway. हम इनको divide करा है 4 lanes में, right, for the traffic. Special lanes are provided on the roads for the vehicle to run. Drivers cannot stop or take turn. भाई आपने बहुत पहले क्या होता था कि कहीं से भी टर्न लिया जाता था, but now you cannot do this. We have highways, the Pan American Highway, Trans Canadian Highway, Burma China Road and Australian Stewart Highway. Pan ये आपका 1936 में बना था. ये अलास्का को नॉर्थ अमेरिका टू चिली इन साउथ अमेरिका कनेक्ट करता है. ठीक है, 17 लैटिन अमेरिकन कंट्रीज को कनेक्ट करता है. नेक्स्ट इज ट्रांस कैनेडियन हाईवे अक्रॉस द कनाडा, राइट, स्टार्टिंग फ्रॉम पैसिफिक ओशन टू द वेस्ट कोस्ट, राइट, to Atlantic Ocean the East Coast. Burma 1937 में build हुआ था. If we talk about, so next is Kunming in China to Lasio in Burma, covers distance for about 1150 km. India has one of the largest network of roads in the world. It is connected with the neighboring countries. ठीक है, जैसे आपकी शेरशाह सूरी मार्ग हो गया, शेरशाह सूरी मार्ग हो गया, जैसे ग्रैंड ट्रंक रोड कहते हैं, जो आपकी न्यू दिल्ली टू टाउन ऑफ अतारी इन पंजाब नियर इंडिया पाकिस्तान. तो हिंदुस्तान तिब्बत रोड जो इंडिया और चाइना को थ्रू तिब्बत लिंक करती है. दूसरी आपकी सिक्किम टू लहासा, द कैपिटल ऑफ तिब्बत, राइट. देन वी हैव रेलवेज. रेलवेज आर वेरी यूजफुल टू अस. ये चीप मीन्स ऑफ पब्लिक ट्रांसपोर्ट. एवरी डे अ लार्ज नंबर ऑफ ट्रेन स्पीड अलाउ रेल ट्रैक्स थ्रू आउट द वर्ल्ड. They carry thousands of people and heavy goods from one place to another. They also play an important role in the growth and development of industries. ट्रांस साइबेरियन रेलवे सबसे लॉन्गेस्ट रेलवे आपका वर्ल्ड का. द फर्स्ट पब्लिक रेलवे जो ऑफिशियली शुरू हुआ था इंग्लैंड में 1825 में, वो ब्रिटिश गवर्नमेंट लॉर्ड डलहाउसी ने स्टार्ट करा था, जो बॉम्बे टू थाने, और कब हुआ था 1853 में. जो डिस्टेंस था वो 33 किलोमीटर था. And today Indian Railway is the world's fourth largest railway system. And the total length कितनी है? 65,000. 1.25 million people are engaged. It runs every day. Around 13,000. Indian Railway has more than 7,000 stations. Indian Railway किसमें divided है? 18 June में Southern Railway, Northern Railway, Eastern Railway. At present, Indian Railway have a network of more than 60,000 route kilometer of electric track. Second largest electrified system. The first system belongs to China. Today, every country has a good network of railway. Europe and North America have most dense network और Belgium का सबसे greatest railway density है. Right? In Japan, if we talk about railway, are the most important means of transport. जैसे आपके Shinkansen, very fastest railway network of Japan. Japanese railway mainly electrified and noted for their speed. Japanese bullet trains run specially track at the speed of 320 km per hour. France is also famous for its high-speed trains, जिसको हम TGV कहते हैं. Right? So, in the United States of America and Canada, railway joint cities are located on the Pacific in the west and those situated on the Atlantic in the east. If we talk about city of New York in USA, it has world largest Stan Grain Central Terminal, right, by number of platforms. Now, Indian trains are noted to be at fast speed. अगर हम बात करें आपका गतिमा एक्सप्रेस हो गया, आपका वंदे भारत हो गया, तेजस एक्सप्रेस, राजधानी एक्सप्रेस, शताब्दी एक्सप्रेस, ताज एक्सप्रेस, पिंक सिटी एक्सप्रेस, ये सब क्या है? फास्टेस्ट ट्रेन. Next is waterways. The story of waterways was started during prehistoric time. Rafts and canoes were the earliest one. So the early men built rafts and canoes to travel on the river. Logs were tied up with reeds to use to travel. Later, early men learned to use wind power throughout the use of mast on his boat. An important change came into history of waterways with the introduction of steam engines on big ships. Nearly all ships and many boats are powered by engines. Today, ships are powered by turbine, internal combustion engines. They travel at the great speed. वाटर ट्रांसपोर्ट को हमने दो पार्ट्स में डिवाइड करा है, इनलैंड वाटरवेज एंड ओशन वाटरवे. इनलैंड में क्या है? मैनी बिग रिवर्स एंड लेक आर यूज्ड एज वाटरवे. जैसे गंगा एंड ब्रह्मपुत्रा हो गई आपकी. सिमिलरली लैगून्स ऑफ केरला दे आर यूज्ड फॉर नेविगेशन एंड ट्रांसपोर्टेशन. ओशन वाटर इन ओशंस इज द चीपेस्ट बट स्लोएस्ट मोड ऑफ ट्रांसपोर्ट. राइट? नॉर्थ अटलांटिक रूट, केप ऑफ गुड होप, Mediterranean Suez, Asiatic route, and Panama Canal, West India, Central America route. The ocean routes have promoted international trade in raw materials, जैसा आपका कॉटन हो गया, रबर हो गया, जूट हो गया, वूल और टबैको हो गया. Right? Now dairy products, meat and fish also transported by refrigerating ship. Petroleum is carried by special ships called tanker. Next is Suez Canal. It is opened in 1899 for passengers and cargo ship. ठीक है? ये आपका रेड सी से होते हुए जो पोर्ट सैड है on the Mediterranean Sea उसको join करता है, right? And after that shortened the distance between Mumbai and London by 9,700 kilometers. Now Panama Canal. Panama Canal की बात करें हम, it's a operations in 1940. ये पैसिफिक ओशन को अटलांटिक ओशन से क्या करता है? कनेक्ट करता है. इसे हम गेटवे ऑफ पैसिफिक भी कहते हैं. ठीक है? ये पैसिफिक ओशन को अटलांटिक ओशन and its bow round the stormy Cape home in South America. Now they take just 8 hours to travel through canal. The canal and the surveys have increased trade between the countries. Our country has a coastline for over 7,000 kilometers, and there are 13 major ports and 187 minor working ports. The important ports of India are Mumbai, Kolkata, Chennai, Kochi, Visakhapatnam, Kandla, Tuticorin, Paradeep, or Marangaon. Mumbai is the biggest seaport of India. Airways. Fastest and the costliest means of transport. Aeroplanes fly at the speed of 8 to 1,000 km per hour. It was invented by Wright brothers. ठीक है? Orville Wright and Wilbur Wright in 1903. First regular international passenger service came to operation between London and Paris in 1919. Right? At present, if we talk about, almost all the countries are connected with each other through airways. A large number of people fly daily. ठीक है? बहुत सारे लोग डेली फ्लाई करते हैं विद द एरोप्लेन, चीपेस्ट. सो बहुत लोग क्या करते हैं? हॉलीडेज पे घूमने जाते हैं, लाइक लंदन, पेरिस, मॉस्को, टोक्यो, न्यूयॉर्क. वे इज़ वेरी बिग इंटरनेशनल एयरपोर्ट. द वर्ल्ड बिजिएस्ट, तो सबसे बिजिएस्ट है वो कौन सा? आपका हार्ट्सफील्ड जैक्सन एटलांटा इंटरनेशनल एयरपोर्ट. राइट? और भी सारे हैं. लेट्स स्टडी अबाउट सब एयरलाइन. कनाडा, एयर कनाडा. ब्रिटेन, ब्रिटिश एयरवेज. फ्रांस, एयर फ्रांस. ठीक है? आपकी इंडिया, एयर इंडिया हो गई. ऑस्ट्रेलिया, कांतास. जर्मनी, लुफ्थांसा. ये कुछ क्या है? आपकी एयरलाइंस है. राइट? In India, Air India provides international service to many countries. Go First, Indigo, Jet Airways. So, important airlines आपकी India. right? Hope you understood. This was all in this chapter. Now we will meet in the next class. Thank you.